To mount your halo ring, first start by using craft or beading wire and tie the wire around the halo at 4 equal points. Twist tie the wire securely around the halo ring. The red tape backing on the halo ring does not need to be removed. Next, run the halo wire in beading wire through the circle opening on the fascia. Position the halo and pull snug into the circular opening, wedging the halo in. If mounted correctly, you should have a nice tight fit. Next, flip the fascia upside down and spread out the beading wire. Take the beading wire and pull firmly, then place tape on top of each of the wires to hold the halo in place. Repeat for the other wires. For extra hold, put a dab of epoxy on top of your tape on each of your mounting points. After epoxy is dry, cut off excess mounting wire.